Hello, welcome Merchant Wordians. My name is Mark Liu, president of Merchant Words. I'm joined as always by my man Tommy Berenger, Amazon expert and product manager here at Merchant Words. So you've just created your digital shelf report. Tommy, what are we going to do with one of these things?
Well, I'm glad you asked, Mark. What the digital shelf is basically kind of the same thing as a physical shelf in a retail store. How are you being seen? You're screaming out loud with your branding and your packaging and all that? Are you above the fold? Are you at the top of the shelf? Where are you? Where do you lie amongst your competitors? And this report is going to give you a comprehensive overview of all of that and where you can go ahead and gain a leg up on your competition if you are indeed below them.
So just to be clear, Tommy does not sell Conair products, but we'll dive into this one as a pretty good example. All right, so at the top here, we're looking at your ASIN. So your ASIN is the one that you have entered into the side right here. You can create as many as your plan lets you create. And so this one is just an example, like I said. So it gives you a bunch of summary statistics, which we will go into in depth on this tutorial video right here. So click on that for a little bit more help. But just again, we're just gonna give you a little bit of orientation here. This is all the stuff that we're able to find about your ASIN. Down below is how your ASIN stacks up against the competitors. So what's your share of voice, your page one rank, your rank average, your review average, star rating, and your price average. All these compared against your competitors. Frequently seen words here. So this is a section that allows you to look at the keywords just from a base term, right? So how many of them have, how many have the word ceramic in there, and how many times does ceramic appear in the titles? So this is just a different way of looking at the keywords, and you can click in to get another list here. And then down below is a full list of all the ASINs that we were able to find that match from a keyword perspective. Again, these are the people that you're bidding against in PPC, and then also these are the people that you're competing against in organic rank throughout Amazon. There's a table view here for a little bit more of a sometimes cleaner view perhaps. But that's it at a high level. Like I said, let's jump in to this report. And if you need more information, just click on the tutorial button right here.